If you are interested in the following topics, watch this video. Number 1. Is it time to buy Taiwan? Semiconductor stocks? Number 2. Google's attractive gift for Androids. Number 3. Tesla's market share decline in China. Number 4. Meta artificial intelligence headphones. Number 5. Taikobat, China's first astronaut robot. Is it time to buy Taiwan semiconductor stocks? The global semiconductor market has faced several challenges in recent months, including chip shortages, rising inflation, and the war in Ukraine. However, signs of improvement in the sector are emerging, and some analysts believe that the time has come to buy shares of Taiwan's semiconductor companies. The reasons for this optimism are upbeat corporate outlook. Applied Materials, a leading semiconductor equipment supplier, has forecast revenue growth for the current quarter. Tokyo Electron, another equipment maker, also predicts a 30% increase in revenue over the same time frame. Increasing demand. The demand for artificial intelligence and cloud computing is increasing, which in turn increases the need for more advanced chips. China is also investing in building a self-sufficient chip industry, which could create more demand for semiconductor equipment. Google's attractive gift for Androids, the phone theft detection system, was introduced. One of the most important and interesting new features of Android 15 is called Theft Detection System. Unlike other Android security features that are often designed to combat cyber attacks or phone hacking, this system deals with the physical theft of the phone. This system uses artificial intelligence to detect theft and checks sudden movements of the device. For example, when the phone is taken from you or when it is on a surface and someone takes it quickly, the Android operating system will recognize this situation as a theft, and they will initiate security measures. The first of which is the automatic locking of the phone. This will prevent the thief from accessing your confidential and personal information. Next, the theft detection system will look for other signals to fully ensure that the phone is stolen. When the thief tries to disconnect the phone from the internet, another system called Theft Detection Lock comes into action and disables the screen. In addition to this functionality, another solution to remotely lock the phone has been introduced. After losing or stealing the phone, the user can quickly go to android.com/lock, and after entering the mobile number and going through several security steps, he can lock his device. In addition, disabling the Find My Device feature or extending the timeout for the mobile screen to remain on requires security authentication, which is another common way for mobile thieves to reset the device before it is locked. Before we go to the next news, please like the video. New challenges of technology giants and automobile manufacturing in China. Tesla's market share in China fell in half in April to 4% from 7.7% in March. This dramatic drop comes as domestic rival BYD's electric vehicle deliveries have increased by 29% over the same period. In addition to Tesla, Apple and McDonald's are also facing increasing challenges in the Chinese market, and these American giants must do more to maintain their market share in this country. Tesla's market share decline can be attributed to several factors. Declining demand. China's economy last year experienced its slowest growth rate in decades, which has weighed on overall demand for goods and services, including automobiles. Increasing competition. Chinese automakers such as BYD are increasingly competing with foreign companies and taking significant market share. Government policies. The Chinese government is encouraging the development of its domestic auto industry, which could create more challenges for foreign companies. Meta, the giant of the technology world, introduced its artificial intelligence headphones. Meta plans to unveil its new headphones called Camera Buds in the near future. These headphones are equipped with artificial intelligence and camera, which bring the promise of a world of possibilities. These headphones use artificial intelligence and camera capabilities to instantly recognize objects and translate language. Simultaneous translation. With Camera Buds, conversing with people in different languages will no longer be a challenge. Artificial intelligence translates the conversation live and delivers it to your ears through the earbud speaker. Always-on smart assistant. Camera Bud acts as a smart voice assistant. With simple voice commands, you can answer calls, write messages, and access the information you need. Immersive augmented reality. Camera buds can combine information from the real world with the digital world, bringing a whole new experience of augmented reality. The CEO of Meta, Mark Zuckerberg, has shown great interest in the Camera Buds project and has reviewed several concept designs for its design, including in-ear and on-ear models. Those involved in Meta see headphones equipped with artificial intelligence as the possible future of wearable technology and believe that, after Meta, competing companies will also follow suit. Meta is said to be in talks with Ear Micro, an electronics company specializing in smart headphones, to explore the possibilities of this AI-powered headphone technology. There are many technical hurdles Meta may face in the development of camera buds. Among the important problems that this company has to solve before releasing the product to the market, we can mention the possibility of blocking the camera due to long hair and overheating. Privacy concerns due to the use of cameras in wearable devices are also an issue that Meta needs to address. Taikobat, China's first astronaut robot. A solar-powered astronaut robot will soon head to China's space station to help the human crew with routine tasks and act as a lookout when they're alone. China's Tiangong space station is set to welcome a new crew member, a humanoid robot named Taikobot. The robot was originally designed to help with everyday tasks on the space station, such as moving objects. Taikobot weighs approximately 25 kilograms and is approximately 1.6 m tall. This robot has a set of advanced sensors and cameras that help it navigate in different environments and perform its tasks. It also has a pair of human-like hands that help it perform some delicate tasks like its human counterparts. The robot can walk in Earth's gravity, but it can also work in microgravity like its human counterparts. Humanoid space robots like the Taikobot are still in development, but could be revolutionary for the sector. In experiments, Taikobot helps others perform various tasks on the space station, such as moving and maintaining equipment and handling tools such as electric hammers and screwdrivers. A specific date for when the Taikobot will be deployed to the Chinese space station has not been publicly released. However, Taikobot will not be the first humanoid robot to be sent into space. NASA's robot called Robonaut 2 is widely seen as the first humanoid robot in space, which was launched to the International Space Station in 2011. During its first 3 years in space, NASA's robot was tested by astronauts who could turn knobs and push buttons. Finally, in 2018, it was sent back to Earth for repairs after malfunctioning. It should be mentioned that the Russian space agency Roscosmos also sent a version of the Skybot F-850 humanoid robot to the International Space Station in 2019. Are you a Taiwan Semiconductor stockholder? Do you use Android phones? Do you want to drive a Chinese car? Please tell me in the comments, and if you like this video, share it with your friends.